guys, we're going to play zombie tuna. I don't know. So let's play it. Let's play it, everyone. Please like and subscribe. Oh my. I played this before, so I'm going to play it again. Let's start. No. Okay, let's go. Wait. Let's go. I have a pet. His name is Boogsy. Guys, that's funny. Guys, we have school tomorrow. I have school tomorrow, so please subscribe. Oh my gosh. You can do click. Just always click. Everyone just always click. Whee! Oh my gosh! No! I lost one. Oh my gosh, I can do this. I can do this. Oh, there's a missile box. Are you kidding me, balloon? I don't like balloon. Sorry guys if you like balloon and totally don't like it. Gosh. Okay, we are almost done. Let's go. 9 people in zombies. Let's go. Everyone, we have only 9 people. 9 people, everyone. 9 people. It's 9. It's 8. I mean 8. Oh my gosh. No. Let's go. No, let's go. Guys, please like and subscribe to win. This will never end. Sorry, guys. Let's go, ninja. No. Let's go. Game. Let's go. Hey guys, I'm going to play Thomas the Mask at Friday. Sorry guys, I didn't play it December because we're busy at school. Sorry. No.
Need a break? Introducing a stress-relieving digital coloring book for adults.
Okay, it's been like 3 minutes now. I'm going to make this in 7 minutes. Okay, let's play again. I have only 2 lives left because I have only 2 lives. Okay guys, wish me luck. Guys, wish me luck, guys. Can do this. We can do this, everyone. Wish me luck. We can do this. In the backgrounds, like people are saying help to help them. Why are the background zombies like they're in like lizards? They are like lizards. Hey guys, only 2 lives. Let's go. No! Let's go! Oh my gosh. I've only 2 lives, guys. Guys, I've only 2 lives. I can do this. So, mystery box. Tsunami. I made it extended. My fate, my little sister is making this assignment. So, I want to put them in my phone. Please comment go rain. Please. Go rain. Comment go rain. Oh gosh! Woo! So many. Mystery box. Oh my gosh! Why is it? No! No! Gosh, I hate this balloon. Oh my gosh. Only 1 life left, everyone. 1 life. Guys, please subscribe. Please. I've been working hard to make videos. I'm doing this for you. Oh, bonus pencil. Thank you. No. It's been like this. Oh my god. I don't like. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Please. So, guys, bye, guys. We're going to sleep. I'm sorry it will never continue because I'm going to sleep. We have school tomorrow. Good night, guys. Please like and subscribe to Season Bro.